Thank you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at Fred Mwangi TV, and today I'm going to show you a way that you can earn using your phone, watching YouTube videos, doing surveys, and a lot of other ways that you can use to earn through your phone online. This is very simple and clear. So there's this website called Timebucks, and Timebucks, you can see its spelling is Timebucks. Timebucks. This is a website that you are going to use to earn money online. So the first step is to sign up. If you have an email account, you can use it to sign up on Timebucks, or either you don't have an email account, just create one and you are good to go. So after signing up, as you can see, the dashboard will look like this. If you go to the first thing, it's the dashboard. The dashboard will look like this. So you can see the dashboard as saying earnings. I have $1, 1.3. there is referral earning, there is bonus and wallet. So there is what we call different type of earning. As you can see here, there are people who have won different prizes. You can see first I've won $10, $5, $4, $3 just an hour ago. So guys, how are you going to earn? So just come here, click these three lines on your left corner, and then you are going to go to earn. When you go to earn tab, you're going to find different type of earnings. So you are going to see there is surveys. You can do surveys, answering questions. You can see there is a lot of surveys providers. There's BitLab, Theorem Bridge, InBrain. These are all different types of surveys with different type of earning. As you can see, 7 minutes ago, there's people who have done surveys and they have earned a lot of money. So after that, we go to the second method that you are going to use to earn on Timebucks. You go back to earn again. You can see there is content. Content is watching different kind of content. There's what we call clicks. Clicks, you are going to earn watching YouTube videos. You are going to just click and then you are going to earn. If you click view, you are going to be directed on YouTube. You click, you see either YouTube or website. You can see I have been directed to a certain website. So when you just click, you are going to earn something by just viewing this website. You can see just viewing like that for like 10 seconds, you have just earned something. So another thing, you are going even to see some links that they are going to direct you to YouTube channels, and you are going to watch YouTube videos and you are going to earn a lot of money. So this is a nice way of earning good money on Timebucks. Another thing, we go to task. There's some task that you're going to perform. So you can see there are different kind of tasks with different type of earnings. There is install Timebucks survey Android. So you can see there's different type of earning on task, and you are given almost everything instruction that you are going to use in order to earn. So you can see the first task is saying install Timebucks surveys Android app. You just install the app and you are going to earn something, $0.098. You can see sign up license and earn new users only. So you can see you're going to earn 0.6. imagine, almost $1 by just signing up on a website. So there's Timebucks sign up plus earn. Join the Timebucks WhatsApp channel. So you are going to earn just to join the Timebucks WhatsApp channel. Like our Timebucks Facebook page. You're going to like a lot of Facebook page, and then you're going to earn something from there. There are different types of tasks you are going to do in order to complete your task and then gain a lot of money. So you just have to do this task, and you're going to earn BTC earning site. Watch 1 minute of video, watch 1 minute of join the funny video WhatsApp channel. You can see there are a lot of different type of earning system. So the next one you're going to go to referring people and earn. So if you can see, you are going to generate a link that you are going to send to your friends, share on WhatsApp, share on Facebook, share on Twitter, share on email to different people, and when they sign up on this website, you are going to earn also. So that is referral earning. A lot of people use that to earn money. So there's offers now. There are different types of companies that you are going to join their website, and then you are going to be given different kind of task surveys, and then you are going to earn some money. You can see there's different type of earnings, guys. So just do your best and start earning money online. It depends with the hard work that you put in this website. So if you put some little effort, you're going to earn less. If you put more effort, you're going to earn a lot of money, guys. So make sure you do your best, start earning today, and you are going to enjoy this money on Timebucks. You can see there's a lot of things, and then when you have completed your task, you are going to be paying using ATM, bank. There are different types of earning system. So you're going to earn a lot of money using Timebucks. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like and comment, and share this video widely. My name is Fred Moore, as always. Thank you, and God bless you.